Hello everyone. One of the most prominent question in paper 3 of A-levels biology is about how to make a plant diagram. Now remember, we have two type of plant diagrams, low power and high power. Right now we are discussing the low power plant diagram. Now usually they ask us to either make low power plant diagram of root, stem or leaf. Here we are discussing root. There are certain points that we need to remember whenever we are making a low power plant diagram. One single tissue is always represented with one layer. No cells should be there in a low power plant diagram, and there shouldn't be any sketching or shading that is represented in your diagram. So if you look at the diagram that I've made here of root, you can see that the outer layer, which is the first tissue, which is epidermis, is represented by a first layer. Then the second layer is quite thicker, which is representing the cortical tissue, or what we call cortex. Then the third layer is basically endodermis, which is only present in case of roots, and that is represented as the third layer. And then finally the innermost tissues are vascular bundles, which are consisted of phloem and xylem. So you can see this layer, this is phloem, and the innermost tissue is xylem. This is how you're going to draw a low power plant diagram of root.